Whenever durable, economical, and sustainable structures and pavements are constructed, concrete is the clear choice of both city managers and state engineers. Concrete has been used on projects of every size and scope, including the I-35W bridge with a 100-year lifespan, streets in Shoreview that eliminate stormwater systems, and parking areas that add beauty and lighting to commercial and residential buildings. As many communities in Minnesota and Wisconsin are discovering, concrete has the lowest lifetime cost and highest performance of any pavement material. And it is the clear economic choice for the roads we drive on every day. What makes concrete even more desirable is that repairs to concrete pavements can now be completed quickly and cost efficiently. No longer must your citizens and businesses endure the frustrations of long-term closures of roadways for repairs. Today, rapid-pave ultra-high early concrete can get it done in hours. Take, for example, the 2010 concrete pavement repair project on Highway 94 in Maple Grove, Minnesota. Originally paved in the 1960s, this stretch of interstate highway was performing well with the exception of the joints. Since this is one of the busiest freeways in the Twin Cities, reconstruction of the pavement was not feasible, and an asphalt overlay would be a costly and short-term fix. Instead, the Minnesota Department of Transportation decided to take an innovative approach and remove and replace every joint in both directions. Nearly 6 miles long and involving nearly 13,000 joints, this project would be the largest of its kind in Minnesota, if not the country. The key goal for this project was to have the lanes open for rush hour traffic and limit lane closures to evening hours when traffic volumes were low. This enabled the contractor to perform the necessary work in a safe manner.
Through the whole process, we can remove panels, we can drill the holes, and we can replace them all within the time frame and put traffic on it right away in the next morning so that people really don't have any idea that we were even here.
To accomplish these goals, MnDOT chose Cemstone's rapid-pave, which sets up very quickly and allows traffic to resume just hours after the concrete is poured.
The construction procedure to repair the joints involves two phases. The first is the removal of the existing joint, and the second is the replacement of the concrete. The first step is to saw out the areas that are deteriorated. They're then lifted out with heavy equipment. Very quickly, the local soils are cleaned up, prepared for concrete. Dowels are drilled into the existing concrete so that you get a structural tie between the two of them. They then have the concrete come in, place the concrete. They are using a roller screed to do an initial strike-off, bull floats for a secondary strike-off, and then a hand troweling for a third. The final procedure is they'll come in and mill the pavement to make it relatively smooth for the traveling public.
For smaller projects like municipal streets and parking lots, common equipment like concrete saws and skid steers are more than adequate for the job. While all this work is taking place, the rapid-pave is being created at one of our state-of-the-art concrete production facilities. Unlike comparable bagged products, rapid-pave from Cemstone can be delivered in large quantities, which eliminates costly storage of the bagged products, disposal of empty bags, inconsistency within the mixture, and all of the necessary time typically devoted to job site mixing. Our team of engineers and scientists can tailor a mixture to the specific needs and requirements of a particular project. Factors like time to open to traffic, anticipated environment, ultimate strength, and even appearance are all taken into consideration when Cemstone customizes a mixture. Cemstone's rapid-pave is designed to be placed with minimal labor so that concrete finishing can start almost immediately. The finishing of Cemstone's rapid-pave requires no special tools or techniques, as it is no different than finishing traditional concrete mixtures. Like all concrete, curing is essential and can be accomplished using standard curing compounds. And with rapid-pave, curing happens quickly. In the case of Highway 94, the lanes were reopened in time for morning commute the following day, In most cases, only one lane was closed at any given time. Whether you're a city manager contemplating repairs to a main boulevard or a highway engineer planning major freeway renovations, ultra-high early concrete is an economical long-term solution. rapid-pave is quick because repairs now can be achieved in a matter of hours, avoiding rush hour traffic congestion. It's economical because it greatly reduces install labor costs. It's consistent because large quantities can be delivered to exact project specifications at precisely the time you need them. It's sustainable because rapid-pave reduces construction waste, can be created using recycled materials, and because it increases the service life of the pavement through a permanent repair. And it's versatile because it can be used for interior or exterior applications and is not limited to pavements. From city intersections to interstate highways, Cemstone's rapid-pave is an economical approach to fast-track repairs and construction. To learn more about Cemstone's rapid-pave ultra-high early concrete, go to www.cemstone.com or contact your local Cemstone representative.